A few days ago, a boss in the packaging industry consulted Ms. Wang, saying that he wanted to feed fast in the early stage, and when the material was almost full, the speed would be reduced to achieve a scene of slowly adding materials. Ask Ms. Wang, is there any good way to solve it? This is a multi-speed feeding scene, and Ms. Wang often encounters it. Today, Ms. Wang will use our SDVC 20S to give you an issue on how to use switch signals to achieve our multi-speed feeding. The default feeding speed of the controller is 150. If you need an external control signal to achieve multi-speed feeding, please follow the wiring method in the figure above. Connect speed switch A to corners 9 and 12, and speed switch B to corners 12 and 13. At this time, we close speed switch A and disconnect speed switch B. The speed A light is on, the feeding speed is adjusted to 160, disconnect speed switch A, and close speed switch B. The speed B light is on, and the feeding speed is adjusted to 170. At the same time, close the speed switches A and B, and the speed up lights are on, and the feeding speed can be adjusted to 180. In actual production, we can also adjust the speed up and down according to the material situation. If you have any other needs for the controller and vibratory feeder bowl, you can send a private message to Ms. Wang, and I will solve them one by one.